Okay, so we're going to look for a MIDI keyboard. Not this original MIDI keyboards, the actual device, physical device. No, we're going to look for a virtual one on the Play Store. So if I go to Play Store and I click MIDI keyboard and I hit enter there, the first option on the link there is the right one that we're looking for, and that is MIDI keyboard. Now, what I want to show you is this is the app I was talking to you about on the Messenger group. You need to install K2MP. Now, K2MP is an application you find it's already posted the link on the group chat. The K2MP is a link, is a MIDI app that you can run on your machine, basically. Now, as I've connected these I'm just going to disconnect and reconnect it so you can see exactly what happens. So I'm reconnecting this right into the keyboard. And then already you can see it says connected with the Android on the section there. Now over there you can see Android USB peripheral port. And then I can choose that option and then I click on OK to get started. And obviously right now you can see the input will receive, we're sending the input of the MIDI to now the PC. Okay, so that's very straightforward if you have to use this method of practicing. The other thing is under this section here you would have to click. Alright, let's see. There we go. Okay, the output hasn't come through yet, so I'm going to go back and set that the output. Alright, it seems like there's a problem. It's not receiving the output. So I'm just going to close the app again and restart the app. Alright, so very straightforward. I need to go to, so you can see the app there is called MIDI Keyboard. Alright, so I'm going to select that app. That is MIDI Keyboard, and it's going to load for you. And once you have this app, remember this must remain connected. So it is connected to the tablet, and then the tablet is connected to the PC. So there we go, and then I select USB peripheral port, and then I choose OK. And then for the output, I'll do the same thing. Send the MIDI output to the Android, and I click OK. Now, can you see this? Alright, so there you go. So now you've got your MIDI keyboard connected. So you already have a virtual MIDI keyboard running from your tablet, okay, and that can actually be played. Okay, so a little further on, so that was the video I was just playing earlier to show you exactly how to connect your MIDI app. And once you have your MIDI app connected to your machine, then you are able to get started, basically. So if you have any questions on how to use your tablet with your PC, connecting your PC to your tablet, or you can use your cell phone, but I prefer the tablet because the tablet is much bigger and your hands can really fit as though you're playing an actual MIDI board. Okay, so this is the best method so far that I've found, and it's so easy. Basically, I've created a lot of tracks with this, basically. So I presume that you'll be able to understand how this works. The moment you see yourself working with this process, then it becomes a lot easier. If you don't have this, then we have the option of actually using a real piano. Basically, you can also practice on a piano, you can practice, but this is an option that gives you, if you don't have a piano and you've got a tablet or a cell phone or an iPad, you can just connect that straight to your laptop and get started. You don't need to have the physical piano in your room, basically. So for instance, I don't have the piano. I have it, usually the main piano is sitting in the living area, so I have to go to the living area to go and practice, basically. So when I'm on the laptop, I can't bring the piano to the laptop or where I'm seated on the desk on the laptop. So instead, what I do is I just connect directly to the MIDI tablet, and there you go. It's very straightforward. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. All right, and the next step here would be to go to Google Chrome Web Store. All right, so we're going to type in Chrome Web Store. So we've just finished with Google Play Store, but we go to Chrome Web Store. And in Chrome Web Store, we're going to look for extensions called KPMD. K2MD, I think, something like that. Let me just check quickly. All right, let's just search MIDI keyboard. All right, there we go, keyboard to MIDI. And then if I click on that, this will install the extension, this extension, keyboard to MIDI, and it gets installed there. Once you've installed it, I have it right here. As you can see, if I click on this, it will open up the MIDI keyboard. I'm still hoping that it will load now. All right, there we go. So as you can see, there is the MIDI keyboard that I have there, and obviously I can practice like I showed you earlier. So this is the steps to actually install this application on your browser. So this is on your Chrome browser. Okay, you don't need anything, you don't need any real installation. All you just need to do is make sure you have Chrome running on your machine, and you go to Chrome Web Store and you just add it to your Chrome browser as an extension. Once you click on that icon there, it will load up